Hey everybody, it's Jen with Two Sister Bees. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you inside my kitchen and we are going to dig through my pantry, my fridge, and my two freezers and see how much food I have to go through for this pantry challenge. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, I've got my refrigerator completely cleared out. This is the stuff that I'm keeping and working with for my pantry challenge. I can see over here that I have a lot of cheese to deal with. I'm definitely going to be making some maybe Italian dishes, I don't know. I do keep rinds of Parmesan cheese. Jason likes to throw these in homemade sauce when he's making it. The almond milk will go quick because I do protein shakes, so that won't be a problem. Lots of feta cheese to use up, you guys. And over here I have some carrots and celery, so I think I'm gonna run to the store and grab some onions because that will be easy to get rid of those three things. Any kind of soup would be perfect to get rid of that. And down here I've got some cherry tomatoes that I'm going to roast with this asparagus and some of that cheese. One of my favorite things. So here is the fridge. I've got it bleached out except for this last drawer, so I'm gonna work on that right now. Got my handy dandy bleach water. Okay, you guys, there it is, all bleached out and ready to reload with the food that I'll be using for my pantry challenge. The door of the fridge is actually good to go. As you guys know, I just moved in about a month ago, so I just went through all of those condiments not so long ago and I know they are all good. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even tell you how much better my refrigerator looks. I am already so happy about doing the pantry challenge. This cheese drawer was a disaster. Now it is nice and organized. Got my veggies ready to go. And here is my freezer before. I wish I would have done a before of the refrigerator, but I didn't think about doing a video until after I already took it all out. But here's the freezer before. And the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut up these peppers and put them in the freezer. Some of them are diced, as you can see, and some of them I julienned for different types of meals. So the green peppers are done. And please don't come at me for using plastic baggies, YouTubers. Your girl washes and reuses them. I also had these candles in the freezer. I love the glass containers, and it looks like they're ready to clean out. Oh yes, check this out, you guys. I love it. They popped right out. So now all I gotta do is clean them up. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use them for yet, but they definitely were not going in the trash. Okay, freezer is ready to go. This is Uhtred's food, and I have more over there that I need to bag up for him. We've got some chicken and some ground beef, turkey, more chicken, some steaks back here, scallops and shrimp, some sweet potato fries, and back there is mahi, more mahi, and some salmon. So I have plenty going on in this freezer. And there's our peppers, and as you can see, I already have my red and orange peppers ready to go. We've got Jason's frozen blueberries for his oatmeal in the morning. Got some frozen Brussels sprouts, my frozen bananas for my smoothies, a couple burritos, and some bread. Okay, so I have not looked in here, and let's see what we've got. Oh boy, you guys, lots and lots of rice. Okay, so this is good. We've got a 13 bean soup mix. If I wanted to do this chili, which I probably will, there goes some of that ground beef that we just saw. I know I have tomato sauce. I do need onions. That is one thing that I do have to go to the store for, but then I can make this 13 bean chili, because I do know this has been sitting in here for a little while. Okay, so we see I've got plenty of pasta and rice. And up here are all of my sauces, like cooking wines and stuff like that, so I'm good to go there. Gotta have the Franks. Got a little bit of cereal. This is all of my baking stuff, flour, sugar, blah, blah, blah. Okay, more pasta, tons of tomato paste. I've got a couple sweet potatoes down there. Some breakfast stuff. That is an idea, you guys. This is pancake mix, so I could definitely do a breakfast night. There's my pasta sauce hiding back there. Here's some tomato sauce. Your girl loves her tomato paste, apparently. Okay, you guys, here's some canned goods. This is good. I got some refried beans, garbanzo beans, black beans, cream of mushroom, tuna, some diced tomatoes, a bunch of pineapple chunks. I think I had a recipe I was gonna use those for and I never did it. Lots of canned chicken breast. I'm sure I could figure out something with that. And this is my freezer in the garage. That is a bunch of spinach, some bagels. Oh my gosh, you guys, more chicken breast. I didn't even know that was in here. I see bacon back there. That's good to know. More ground beef, more turkey, more bread. This is a little ham that I could make some potato soup or something with, but definitely not this weekend because it is gonna be hot as you know what here. Oh my gosh, more bagels. This stuff, I have to tell you guys, is the best stuff to buy from Sam's. You get a 2-pack, it's like $6. I make some of the best meals with this ground Italian sausage. Yum. I've got 4 packs of that. You know what, you guys? I know I said a week. I can guarantee you I'm doing a lot longer than a week. Okay, so I've got some more spinach. I've got some frozen strawberries. I've got some frozen pizza. I've got some broccoli down there and some graham biscuit, raisin bread, beef patties, tortillas. You guys, I have enough food for, honestly, I mean, how long are we talking here? A month at least? I'm on it. Okay, you guys, that was your sneak peek into my pantry, my fridge, and my freezer. I already know from looking in there that I will be going way longer than 1 week. I hope that you are digging into your kitchen, clearing stuff out, and getting your meals ready for the week. That is going to be my next quick video for you guys. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna make with all of this food, and I'll keep you posted. Keep watching.